Hello, my name is Anton Tarasenko, and I'm head of software development in Yota devices. So this is YotaPhone. This is not a final name, and we'll decide it later. So let me introduce you something about this phone. First of all, this is Android OS phone, which is based on Qualcomm 8960 top tier 1 platform. And the key thing here is two screens. One is the main HD resolution screen, and the second one is the EPD screen from e-ink. And in terms of technical stuff, there are several, I think they're quite, I would say, tier 1 device with 2 GB memory on board and up to 46 GB internal flash memory. And we will decide the final amount later. It will be 32 or 64. And it has basically two gesture zones, so and touch. So you don't have a software buttons from Android, but you can easily work with your device just by swiping the bottom zone. So let's say swiping from right to center is back, and from left to right this is home. It's very easy. And on the back side, basically, there is another touch zone which helps you to manipulate with your ink screen. And you can say scroll something or change between applications. And this is basically quite easy thing. Let me very quickly present you several key scenarios. So first of all, there is an applications which our Yota devices team is developing internally. And there will be also the API for third-party community presented later, which will allow third-party applications to create their own application for ink screen. But for instance, there is a wallpaper application when you can set up any wallpaper from your Facebook or any wallpaper from your gallery, and there are different clocks there, so kind of personalization and differentiation stuff, and you can put it on your back screen, and it's there. And once even your device is off or discharged, this image will stay here, and you can put it on the table. It will work. And another case is that, for example, you have a Maps application, Google Maps, standard one, and you usually need to go to some place, and your phone becomes discharged. So let's say you know how to go to this, and you are making very easy gestures like this one, and the map image becomes put on the back screen. So even your device goes off, it's totally discharged. Because of EPD technology, it will stay on the back screen. So you will definitely find the place which you're looking for. And there are also the use case of reading, and there is an FB Reader application which we modified, and you can read your Epub books or FB2 books just by pressing similar button, and it will be so basically there is a scrolling. You can actually scroll between different screens. Yes, here is an FB Reader application which you can basically scroll and read your book. And even the phone is, I would say, turned off, main screen is turned off, you can still scroll it and read it. And probably another interesting use case that we can catch any notification of Android, let's say system notification, calendar, etc., missed calls, SMS, and put it on the back screen. So you can easily check what's going on and what's the next, I would say, the next event in your agenda. So let's say there is a notification of the calendar, and you can see that, let's say, 4 p.m. there will be some meeting, and you need to be there, and it's updated online. So you don't need to it's not static. So if I receive an internet change from internet, it will be updated. So I can easily check what's going on. And we plan to introduce a lot of more use cases. So final one could be here is a kind of Twitter application, which is put on the back screen. So there's a Twitter feed, which is on the back screen, and it's updated automatically, or you can scroll it. And you can sit on the meeting, or you can sit on your dinner at home, and the phone could be on the table, and you can see that the tweets will be updated, or you can scroll it. It's very unique use case, I think. And we are going to present a lot more use cases, so this is just the beginning. This is the first prototype, and I think we will introduce a lot of more interesting ideas next year. Thank you.